In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a photo with a paper clip at the bottom right corner and select Images at the top. Now you can look for your photo here, in one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, after you find it, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!